friends, let me show you this new heated vest that I received for reviewing purposes. It is great for any cold or winter weather. As you can see, it's really nice. This is a black one. I like it very much. And you get a battery pack, so you can use it to heat it up when it's cold, okay? You get the operating instructions. Let's put it together. Use it, you just have to put this battery pack in this pocket, connect it. It will tell you the charge that you have. And that's it. You turn it on. You can turn it on in the front part and the back part, or both sides, okay? So you have like 8 heating zones, and you can heat only your back, your front, or both. And it's really useful when you are going to any really cold place. So I like it a lot. It's really light, but it's still really nice. Let's try it out. You also can use this battery pack as an external battery for your electric accessories, your phone, an iPad, any electronics that you use frequently. You can use it also as a extra battery pack. You charge this battery with a regular USB-C cable. This heated vest is great for the outdoors in the night, because it's when it gets more cold here where I live, and I am heating myself in the front and the back part of the vest, and it is great for this cold weather. So if you are going to go somewhere really cold, or if you live in a cold place and you need an accessory that helps you keep warm during your activities, this heated vest is a great option for you. And when you're finished using it, you can put it away in this special mesh bag that you get, so it is protected. You can store it like this, or use again the carrying bag that you get with it. Thank you.